Good evening, friends. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. Today's stock performance was already shared in our Telegram channel. So, in brief, two stocks hit a target and two did not active. Let us see analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So, Nifty, it is in almost all-time high range. We can have a resistance in 15,778 and the current spot is 15,741 and minor resistance will be 15,678 and major resistance will be at 15,616. So we had got a suggestion in our comment section that what if like three scenarios was given, like what to trade when it is gap up or gap down or it is in flat. So as per our analysis, so if there is a gap up opening, you can expect resistance at this level, and you can expect a support in yesterday's closing price. Okay, in case if it is gap down, you can expect a minor resistance at yesterday's closing price, and this another support will be same. This will be a support. So if it opens flat, expect a seller's active once this swing low is broken, and once again you can expect buyers active after this the previous day high is broken. Okay, let us see our Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Bank Nifty current spot 35,083 and minor resistance will be at around 35,478 and major resistance will be at around 35,704, and support, minor support will be at 34,770 and major support will be at around 34,478. And same way here, if there is gap up opening, previous day close will act as a minor support, and when if it is a gap down opening, then you can expect previous day closing as once again a resistance, minor resistance. Okay, in case if it is a flat, just wait for the swing to break in case of flat opening. So if it is a flat opening and if it break this level, then you have to buy, and if it is open flat and this swing is broken, then you can go for short. And Bank Nifty is in downtrend. Okay, keep this in mind, and Nifty is in uptrend. Let us see our stocks for tomorrow. So first stock, Tech Mahindra. Even Tech Mahindra yesterday we gave for this breakout, and both our first target and second target was hit in yesterday's call. And since it is in this swing level, it has given a very good closing. For tomorrow, you can buy this at 1062 if it breaks this swing, and with target 1068 as first target and 1074 as second target, and with the stop loss 1055 you can trade this. Next stock, Bharati Airtel. This has also given a good breakout over here, and there was a good closing in this stock. You can buy this at 549. After this breaking this level 549, you can buy with stop loss 544, and first target will be 554 and the second target will be 559. Let us see our next stock, HDFC Life. It is in complete sideways trend. So you can buy this at 692 after breaking of this yesterday's high. So you can enter at 692 with the stop loss 687, and the target 1 will be 697 and the target 2 will be 702. Let us see our next stock, Sun Pharma. In this, we can see a seller active at this range, and there was a drop in price, and here we can see a very good buying which is happening from past couple of days. So we can buy this at 682 with the stop loss 677, and the target one will be 687 and the target two will be 692. Thank you one and all for watching the video. Our Telegram channel link will be in description. Do follow us there, and Nifty and Bank Nifty live market trading will be updated in Telegram channel. Do subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Thank you. Have a great day.